Hi everyone, we're going to plot each complex number in the complex plane, and we're going to also express our argument in degrees. And the two problems we're going to do are square root of 3 minus I, and we're also going to do 1 minus square root of 3I. That's I. Okay, so first thing we need to do is find our polar coordinates. We know r equals the square root of x squared plus y squared. So this equals square root of the square root of 3 squared plus negative 1 squared, which equals the square root of 4, which equals 2. And then our angle is, we're going to use tangent to find our angle, because that's y over x, which equals negative 1 over square root of 3, which when you rationalize gives you negative square root of 3 over 3. So we have 2 comma square root of 3 over 3. And then we're going to go ahead and do this one while we're here. And we need to find r and our angle. So r is going to be basically the same thing, because we're basically doing the same thing, but it's opposite. So it's just be 1 squared plus negative square root of 3 squared, which equals square root of 4, which equals 2. And our angle, we're going to use tan, which equals negative square root of 3 over 1, which equals the square root of 3. So basically we have 2 comma square root of 3. So we're going to plot this one and this one. So for the first one, we had 2 comma negative square root of 3 over 3. And the polar form is square root of 3 minus I. And when we express our argument in degrees, we have 2 times cosine of 330 degrees plus I times sine of 330 degrees. So what I'm going to do is label my graph with ones here. So I'm going to put 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1, and this would be 2. Our angle is 330, so 330 be about here. I'm just going to estimate it here. Let's just put it right about here. And then we have, we're going down 2. So it's going to go about to 2. And I'm just estimating on here. And there's your angle starting here, going around to 330 degrees. Okay. Maybe I should have made this closer in, because they're supposed to be inside the 1. Alright. And the next one, or the last one we have, was, we had R is 2, my angle is 300 degrees. Actually, I should have done this here. This was wrong. This was 2 comma 330 degrees. Sorry about that. Anyway, let's go back. And now the polar form is z equals 1 minus square root of 3I. So here's, I'm going to put this out a little further. And then we're going to 330, or just 300. So, and we're still going down 2. So I'm going to go close to this down here. I'm just estimating again. This would be 2 here. And then, so your angle is 330 degrees. And that's negative 2. And expressing our argument in degrees, this would be 2 cosine of 330, or 300, plus I times sine of 300 degrees. Okay? And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.